Whoa, I tell you, man. Some nice water. Oh wow, as soon as I jump in, the sun goes away.
Look at everything in a mug, and today in that mug we are
Hanging out at the pool and doing a bunch of other stuff.
we're kind of gonna do like a behind the scenes video because we're hanging out and we're gonna film lots of videos. We're hoping a couple of cooking, we're hoping some sit down and chats, we're hoping, well, we're just gonna throw this playing of our GoPro in the pool in
Just
this
hanging
video.
out. Yep.
So just a little behind the scenes, and we're excited.
And maybe some other stuff. We might just talk about some stuff along the way, you know, and just toss that in there.
Yeah.
Random junk.
We'll do some little sit down chats. You know, we'll just talk to you guys.
Yeah, yeah. So, get ready for that. We hope you enjoy.
Bye. Hey guys, we interrupt these fun clips from the pool to do a little sit down chat about our plans for the future.
That's right, that's right. We're hoping to film more.
Right now we're not in school, we have a couple of weeks off between semesters, and so we're hoping to get a good stockpile up so even when we do go back to school, we are not leaving you guys with nothing for weeks.
Or months.
Or months.
So we're gonna do our best. We've got some things planned out. Some fun things. We got a lot of just plans in general for the summer, so hopefully we'll have a lot of good content for you guys.
We got some good places we want to go for some good vlogs.
Yeah.
We got more technology, like we got the GoPro, we used to have a
better
camera,
lights.
we got lights set up, like we're thinking we're gonna have some really great content, and we hope you guys will really enjoy it. Because we're having fun filming it.
Oh yeah, we're having so much fun. A lot of good excuses to hang out more. So to the 30 of you, 30 or so of you that are out there, or 20, or however many.
We hope you guys enjoy.
We hope you guys enjoy.
Thank you.
So we'll see you soon.
Yep, more pool stuff. So we're little kids playing in the pool with goggles and little kid toys. Gotta find all the rings and all the fishies. We have lost a fish. So yeah. We're calling it in. We're gonna go inside and take showers. I'm all done with my shower, waiting on Heather to get done with hers.
Alright guys, we are all showered up, feeling good, and we are walking up to McDonald's. Not very healthy of us, but it is what it is.
Girls gotta eat.
we are at Burlington, one of our favorite places to be. Looking at candles. I love candles.
I'm excited. Look for bathing suit.
Yep.
Look how cute. Best friends for life, husband and wife.
Adorable.
Here we are, one of our favorite places, the clearance area in Burlington. Kind of sparse today. I always have cups, but this area just seems a little bit sparse.
Yeah. What I found.
What'd you find? Ooh. Oh. I was like, oh, cute sign. And then you opened it. I was like, oh, dead. It's awesome. I love it. A box or something. Garden up top. Oh, that's a cute
yeah.
lunchbox.
Well, if you can't tell, we are setting up to film a video. We're going to be doing a cooking video. By we, I mean I'm manning the camera and she is doing the video. We have to clean off all the counters, and that's where my camera stuff is. This is how this is looking, and got a time lapse going.
So that's exciting.
So yeah. I figured I would put my 2 cents in. This chicken smells amazing. I just love this kind of chicken. It's really good. It tastes great. Should be a little much there, but
A little bit overcooked.
But it's not bad leftover. It's pretty good leftover. So we're excited. Alright guys, we just ate dinner. It was really good. We loved the video and we're gonna call it a night. So I hope you enjoyed. Bye.
Bye.